Rizalini Martinez. I live at Los Angeles, California.
And I'm Nancy Martinez. I'm his wife. We live in Los Angeles, California. My husband started taking Vita Plus last year, September 2017. When my husband find out that he had lung cancer stage 3, he had a stroke. He went to ICU with swollen brain. And when he's in the ICU, I still give him the Guyabano Vita Plus. While he's there, he's taking it. And then when we got discharged from the hospital, I start giving my husband the Guyabano Platinum. This is the one he's taking when I find out he had stage 3 lung cancer. And I've been giving him the Platinum for a couple of months. We've been going to the hospital, seeing the oncology, and on the MRI, it was big on his right side of his lungs. And then while my husband keep on drinking the Platinum. So one day we went back to the oncology, and he find out on the biopsy that it's negative, and oncology said when he walked into the room, he said, "Oh, it's very interesting. We don't know what happened. We're not giving you any medication, but it's very little now." So we were surprised. My husband and I were surprised when the doctor said that. So after that, when we went back to see the oncology told us that my husband is cancer-free. So thank you for the Vita Plus Platinum. God is good. Power of prayer is number 1, and the second is the first Vita Plus. My husband is taking up to now. Power of prayer and Vita Plus.
I am Stella Fortuna. Let me share with you how I fought against cancer. It was in September 2014. I noticed that my tummy is becoming bigger. I lost appetite. My weight went down from 104 to 87. I went to see an internist, an oncologist, who confirmed that I have a stage 3 ovarian cancer. It was a shocking reality in my life. My son supplies of this very powerful Guayabano Vita Plus Gold. And my daughter keep on checking on me to drink this powerful juice many times a day. And I'm still drinking it now. During my chemotherapy treatment, I never experienced nausea or vomiting, dizziness. After the operation, I have never taken in a single pain reliever. Even when I went home, the oncologist told me that they had never found any single living cancer cells. And this was confirmed through biopsy that I am cancer-free. The surgeon told me that whatever you were taking, continue taking it. So my dear friends, don't hesitate to take this very powerful juice, the Guayabano Vita Plus. God is really good.
Hello, my name is Billy McCoy, and I'm from Los Angeles, California. I had health problems before, which wasn't real serious. I had a lack of energy. I also had constipation quite often, actually. My wife introduced me to First Vita Plus and said that it could help in both cases. So I started taking and drinking the Guyabano and also the Dalandan, and I would drink at least 1 to 2 sachets every day. I don't have any constipation. I haven't had since I've been taking First Vita Plus. I've been taking it now for almost 2 years. You know, I have a lot of energy. I don't have the constipation. I feel like a very good man. You should try this for yourself if you have any health problems. Mine's minor, but it can also help some serious ones. So I would like to have you all try it. And beyond that, you know, become a dealer, because then you're not just helping yourself with health and wealth, but you're also going to be helping other people. You know, thanks to God, to Upline, and to First Vita Plus.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Cheryl Ilsaan from Los Angeles, California. I have a problem of my menstruation, and I went to my doctor, and he find out that I have a hormonal imbalance. It's hard for me to have a baby. I keep on praying that hopefully I can find a way. And one day I went to my friend's house, and I saw this Melon Vita Plus, and I take this 2 sachets a day. 2 weeks after, I feel a lot of pain in my back, but I did not stop drinking this Melon Vita Plus. After a month, I have a period. I continuously drinking Vita Plus. My menstruation becomes normal. After 6 months, I got pregnant. Last year, I gave birth to a healthy baby boy, and his name is Jacob. Here he is now.
Power.
Power! Power! Power!
My name is Alfred S. McAuslin. I live in Los Angeles, California. I have a health issue, and I was suffering from type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. After taking extensive usage of the product, my issue of high blood pressure and type 2 diabetes has normalized and reached its level. My son is suffering from bipolar depression, and he has a tendency of suicidal attitude. After taking Vita Plus, he no longer called 911 for hospitalization. I would like to thank Vita Plus for the product and the benefit it gives to people. I will convince other people to join Vita Plus because of its properties and benefit that it could give. Thanks, and God bless to everyone.
I'm Rose Bunkley from Panorama City, California. Before, I have a weight problem and high blood pressure. I tried drinking First Vita Plus Melon for my weight, and for my high blood pressure, mangosteen. After 3 to 4 weeks of taking First Vita Plus, I lost 35 pounds. Thanks to First Vita Plus, and thanks to God for having this amazing product. Power!
Hi, my name is Velma Maagan. I have acid reflux. I eat too much every 2 hours. Because of that, I gain weight. I have depression. I can't sleep at all. The doctor told me that my acid reflux is too bad. So he gave me a medicine. So I took maybe 3 months, and I feel like nothing changed. When I took this First Vita Plus, so now I feel better. I lost weight about 18 pounds. I sleep good. Everything okay.